Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to be learning how to make your first workbench and then to how to make and use your first pickaxe. Yeah, let's get on with the tutorial, guys.
So, what you want to do is, I made a button. So
That's
you
okay.
put your wood that you mined from the trees that you learned in last episode, and you get a crafting table.
And so that's how you make your crafting table, guys. Now we're going to teach you how to make your first ever pickaxe. Yeah.
Okay, so what you do is with the, oh, we need more wood.
Wait, what did you do with the? Oh, okay, yeah.
Because you're making your first pickaxe. Here I made one earlier. Um,
Wow.
so what you want to do is make some sticks like this with your planks. And then you get your wood and you just, it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Now we're gonna teach you how to make a stone
Okay,
from,
guys, now that you have your first ever pickaxe, you're going to learn how to cut stone with your pickaxe.
so you go up to your stone and you just start mining it.
Just like you mine the tree.
Now make sure you get rid of all of the stone. This is weird
Exactly,
looking water.